Unraveling the phrase, let it boil. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase in the English language, let it boil. Understanding such phrases is key to mastering conversational English. So, let's dive in and uncover the meaning and usage of let it boil. Let it boil is a phrase that literally refers to the process of allowing a liquid to reach its boiling point. However, it's not just about cooking. This phrase can be a metaphor for allowing situations to reach a peak or a critical point. Here, we'll explore both the literal and figurative meanings, along with examples to make it crystal clear. In the literal sense, let it boil is often used in cooking. It means to leave a liquid on heat until it starts to bubble and steam vigorously. This is a crucial step in recipes like pasta, soups, and stews. We'll see how this phrase is used in cooking instructions and its importance in culinary preparations. Moving beyond the kitchen, let it boil can be used metaphorically. It can imply allowing a situation to develop without interference, waiting for a moment of climax or critical change. This section will highlight how this phrase is used in everyday speech, with examples from real-life scenarios. Languages and phrases evolve, and let it boil is no exception. Here, we'll explore cultural references and variations of this phrase across different English-speaking regions. Understanding these nuances is key to grasping the dynamic nature of language. Thank you for joining us in exploring the phrase, let it boil. We hope this video has shed light on not just the literal meaning, but also the fascinating ways it's used in everyday language and culture. Happy learning, and we'll see you in our next video.